Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I want to show you how to create an extra drive in your Windows 11 PC. So let's say you can see here I have a C drive and I have a DVD drive. That's a D drive. So if I want to create an extra drive, like let me just say an E drive or an F drive, just for an extra drive whereby I can actually save files like my document too. So let me show you how to do that. So I can actually use the command prompt to do that, but let me show you the most easiest and I think the best way to do it if you're not an IT professional. So the best way is just to go to your start menu and right click on your start menu. And here you can see we have the disk management, or you can as well do that from the computer, your computer management, and then go to the disk management. But click on disk management. So here it's going to open your disk management. Let me just maximize this. You can see we have the C drive and we have some other partitions as well. We have the system recovery partition and we have system reserved, and we have the healthy recovery partition. So I want to actually create an extra partition from this C drive. So just right click on your C drive and then click shrink volume. So by clicking shrink volume, so it's querying the volume for available shrink. So I want to create, let's say, like about 20 gigabyte. So this C drive is about 100 gigabyte. You see, when the system reserved is being created, and also we have some healthy recovery partition. So it takes about, I think it's about almost 500 MB and about 15 megabytes. So it reduced to almost 99.46 gigabytes. So I want to create about 20 gigabytes from this C drive. So it's entirely the amount of space shrink in megabytes. So this is about, let me say, it's about 20,000 megabytes, which in total is equivalent to like 20 gigabytes, but I think it's not going to be exactly 20 gigabytes. So just click shrink. So here you can see it shrinks it to about, I think, 19.53 gigabytes. So, and it says unallocated. If I go to my C drive, you can see that the drive is still not visible. So what I need to do is I will need to go back again to the disk management and then right click on this unallocated and click a new simple volume. So here it says welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Click next. I'm going to use, you can also split this into like 2 or more drive, but yeah, let me just use the whole space we have, the whole space size. And you can assign the following drive letter. We can assign any letter you wish. Let me just call this H and click next. So it says format this volume with the following. So you need to format it. You have to option and the FAT32 and the NTFS. I think for Windows 10 and Windows 11, I will advise you to use the NTFS. And also the volume label, I can just give this, let me just call this software. And then it says perform a quick format. And you have the option to also enable file and folder compression, but I'm just going to click next and finish. So it says formatting. I see it goes very fast. And if I go back again now, you can see I have a H drive, which is an extra drive. And here we can decide to click and just create some folders on this drive. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. That is how you create a new drive whereby you can save your document to files and folders and not save it on your local C drive. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video, and also give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. Bye.